Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I made the cutest thing. This is part of my haul from the thrift store doll parts that I got. And what this is you hang it up on your kitchen wall and you have your little hot pads. And I had her hanging up and I took her down to do the video. Here's the back of her. And it's really not that hard to crochet with these little doll parts. I gotta move her face a little bit here. I think I moved her when I was taking her down, but anyway, because you can move them a little bit if you have enough room in there, if you don't put them in too snug. Looks like I have her in pretty snug, so I'm gonna have to move her after the video. But I just made a cute little border around her and 2 hot pads. I wanted to try a vintage pattern and I thought it was so cute, and I said, oh, isn't that a sweet idea? And so if you've never tried doing anything like that, you don't even have to put the doll on it if you didn't want to. You could just hang it up and have like little hot pads too, kind of like a vintage look. Or you could crochet and a face or something too. So here you guys go. It's my hot pad little doll holder. Okay guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.